What's up everyone, it's Lauren, the female foamer. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, welcome. I make mostly train videos, sometimes some random stuff, but usually trains. So I'm in Mount Pleasant this weekend because there's a live steam meet going on, but I stopped at the railroad / Old Threshers on my way into town, and I had something waiting for me. So thank you, Richard, for this awesome book. It has a bunch of Burlington diesels. So I met Richard and then Bill. Nice to meet you guys. Hope you guys have fun riding your trolleys. But yeah, my brother just got back, and time to go see some mini trains. Our ride for the day. Sean's driving. All right, Jesse, tell us about your locomotive.
It's a model of a Denver South Park and Pacific consolidation, built in 1883. 2.5 inch scale, narrow gauge.
Narrow gauge for the win. Back here. Sean. Oh my gosh, is that a little Shay? We're gonna catch up to your son, Jason.
You can outrun everybody here.
Either. Into the tunnel we go. Yes, it does. Cold in the tunnel. Oh, there goes Dustin. look, there's the little Vulcan.
Stuff in the fire.
Not even a whistle, Dustin? Having fun, Wes?
Guys, got the
Goodbye. See you never. Glasses are usually the better option when you're going through a tunnel with a cold fire engine. I learned that lesson a lot in Nevada last year. Well, I guess I did it once, and then I quickly learned my lesson, and then I always wore glasses because coal cinders in your eye hurt. The smell of coal smoke. I'm not used to that anymore now that I'm out of Nevada and we just burn oil. It smells so good.
Oh, we just sound a lot. Okay.
I have an idea, Lauren. Take the handcar and...
Little kerosene to help it.
I'm gonna ask the super quick on this. Okay.
This is so far back. You'll get.
physically used to it. Yeah. Because last time weighing leather runs and I was
Something that's prettier, but you know, the plastic's been working. And it's like, let's get the rest of the engine running nice. And then maybe I can start thinking about some of those other things. Where's the water coming from?
That runs really nice, Jeff.
Yeah, I know. It pulled the Shay up the split sleeve.
Does that just go straight through,
Do you
or
have
is
the
it
key?
a bigger hole in here in the middle?
Scott. Do you have the key?
The key?
Yeah. You turn it on?
Yeah.
The key. Oh, torch.
Oh, it's a fire.
That is a fire.
Yeah, I know. It's gonna be a chunky locomotive.
That'll be cool.
Yeah, I know.
The derail. All right. Bye, camera. Here we go.
I got some.
I gotta get some water for it.
Getting smoked out back here. It smells good. I can't complain.
That's not where I want to go.
Huh? It's starting to rain, so a lot of the engines are getting put away, which means we'll probably head out soon. But it's been fun. I love live steam. Maybe someday I'll have one. Probably not. See, there's lots of things I want. Not enough time or money. Look at the tiny little gauge lamp. Oh my gosh. And the little water glass. It's so cute. I need...
That is going to have more views than anything if you try and do it all together. If somebody does it for you, it'll get, like
Okay.
40.
You want to
Why are stream. Ah, no, I'm supposed to do it myself, Sean. Stop. Ah, stop. Okay, someone has a little hand cart. And they're making me do this by force. Filming and doing this at the same time is not easy. I need like a little GoPro with a strap. That might be easier. Add that to the list of things. There's a hill coming up. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. It's a terrible idea. Terrible. I have learned that I am very much out of shape. That hill killed me. I'm dead now. Dead. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. We got back kind of late last night. It was a down and back trip. So, very long day. Thank you again for your continued support of my channel and my videos, whether that be here on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. You can find me at all those places. And I did post a post about it, but I did just want to mention it here. Look at this beautiful... I put it in the box upside down. I took it out to look at it, and I just realized I put it in the box upside down. If you've seen my model haul, like collection videos, you know that I'm notorious for this. I need to start paying attention. But thanks again to the follower who sent this, because I love it so much. But yeah, have a wonderful week. Keep on steaming and have fun.